Hello, how are you? Let's learn. Okay, so if you go to modules, scroll down. We are still here, but you need to scroll down a little bit. If you just keep scrolling down, you'll find it. I actually have it ready for right here, so it's easy for you to get to. But this is part 2D, grammar table 1.1b, simple present be verb negative. Okay, so there isn't a grammar table in your book for you. I made it for you. Okay, so please download this by clicking and you have it for you. I will go through this and explain it. And at the end, when you're finished doing that, you can click and review your answers. Click to download the answers handout and review your answers. Okay, so let's get started. This is called table 1.1b, present tense be verb negative form. It's long. All this is we already learned the positive, but we also need a way to say it's not like that. Okay, no, negative. So to form the negative form of the present tense be verb, put not, N-O-T, after the verb. And so here we have the examples. These are the subjects. This is the verb plus not. And here's some examples. Okay. So for example, I am not. Okay. And the sentence example is I am not bilingual. So we know that I goes with am, and then we just have to add not. He is not. Our example sentence. He is not 43 years old. Next example. I'm sorry, next subject. She, verb plus not, is not. Our sentence example. She is not tall. Okay. And remember it that goes with things or people, singular. It is not. And here we have it is not a boring movie. Okay. We could say the building. It is not a tall building. Okay. So remember, we're referring to a thing or an animal. You could also say something about a dog or a cat, for example. It is not quiet. Talking about the dog. The dog is loud. It is not quiet. Okay, so we see that it's can be for both thing or animal. Now here we go with the plural form of the verb. Goes with you. So here's our example. You are not. Your sentence is you are not nice. Oh, you're nice. You're nice. But just as an example, you are not nice. Okay, means this person is not nice. We are not. Okay, example, we are not happy. And the last one is they are not. They are not good students. Oh no. Okay. So these aren't very nice with these examples, but they're just giving examples of what these are not, what these are in the negative form. Okay, so your practice is the same, except in this case, it's making sure you add not afterwards. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read each one, go through it all. Feel free to listen to me and fill it out, or feel free to pause the video, read it yourself and fill it out. Okay, but come back because at the end, I will go over the answers and then you can compare your answers and review, make sure you're understanding it. Okay, so if we just go through this, how do we do it? It's just like the last time. We need to know what kind of subject this is. Is it going to need a singular is or a plural are form of the be verb? Okay, so the girl, that's one girl. So, and it also could be replaced by she. So the girl is not late. So if you highlight or underline here, okay, I like highlighting. Okay, you pick the right answer. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and read through everything. Feel free to listen and do the activity while you're listening, or pause the video, read it yourself, and figure out the answers. Remember, this chart is for your reference. You can always look back if you're not sure. Okay. Okay, number 2. I'm just going to read up them slowly. Okay. I am not ready. I is not ready, or I are not ready. Okay. Number 4, she am not my friend. She is not my friend. She are not my friend. Number 4, the flowers am not yellow. The flowers is not yellow. The flowers are not yellow. Number 5, the flashlight am not in the tent. The flashlight is not in the tent. The flashlight are not in the tent. Number 6, they am not twins. They is not twins. They are not twins. Number 7, we am not busy. We is not busy. We are not busy. Number 8, the toys am not. Oops, I did that typo again. Sorry. The toys am not in the basement. The toys is not in the basement. The toys are not in the basement. Next, the kitchen am not small. The kitchen is not small. The kitchen are not small. Number 10, the oven am not in the kitchen. The oven is not in the kitchen. The oven are not in the kitchen. Okay, so go ahead and feel free to pause it. It's really best that you try to figure it on your own first before you check the answers because it helps you learn. Okay, so let's go ahead and you could pause the video, finish it up. Okay, and then I'm going to give you the answers. Hello? Okay, so these are the answers. It is the girl is not late. Number 2, I am not ready. Number 3, she is not my friend. Number 4, the flowers are not yellow. Number 5, the flashlight is not in the tent. Number 6, they are not twins. Number 7, we are not busy. Number 8, the toys are not in the basement. Number 9, the kitchen is not small. Number 10, the oven is not in the kitchen. Okay, so how'd you do? Let's go over why these are the right ones. So for each one, first of all, the easy one, am always goes with not. Are there any other ams? So we can just, nope, that was the only one I chose. Okay, now she, he, and it go with is. Okay, now flowers is plural. You could replace it as they. So it would be they are not. Remember, because they, we, and you goes with are. The flashlight, it can be replaced by it because it's singular and a thing. So it is not. They is plural, so it's just like flowers, are not. We, remember we, they, and you goes with are. So we are not busy. Here again, we have like flowers. You could replace that with they. It's plural, so we need the plural form of the verb, are not. The toys are not. Kitchen, it's singular. It's a thing, so you could think of it as being replaced by it. It is not. It's singular. It means is. Is a singular form of the verb. And the oven is not in the kitchen. The same thing here. Oven is singular, so it takes is the singular verb. The oven is not in the kitchen. So this was very similar to the one before, but it's very important to know that you have, you put it in the right order. Okay, so remember the verb goes before not. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or anything was confusing to you, please email me. Hi, so when you're finished, I do want you to turn it in. There will be a link here. Please click on the link and you'll turn in this handout with your answers. Okay, thank you so much. And see you next time. As always, please email me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you. Bye.